I'm a big fan of patina. I'm a big fan of cars that sit low, classic look,
and this thing's got it all. Yep, so the custom came in with a tied 390 FE and a slipping transmission. So that came out and we started with the heart of the car first, and that's the engine. Stripped it, all the good bits went in it, Elderbrock heads, intake, fuel pump, camshaft, lifters, ARP head bolts, Pro gaskets, all detailed and back in the car. It's got wheelwood front brake kit, the suspension had to be looked at, and it's not parts you can just buy off the shelf. So it involved getting a custom one-off bottom control arm bushes made up and a bit of machining to sort out a lot of other parts that couldn't be sorted out.
They actually needed quite a few custom parts made for it.
It did, it's just the rarity of this car.
Like this sort of car, you don't see them every day, and it looks great. Like it's a good looking car.
It sure does. Yeah.
Like, I love the way it looks.
Yeah,
I love the pinstripe, all the pinstriping. I love the you know, the white paint all through it. Very very 60s.
Yeah.
And obviously the patina, but I mostly love the chrome, like the whole front end, like that big rear. It looks like a tail light, but there's no tail light. It's just like this big chrome panel on the back.
There's a lot of chrome.
There's a lot of chrome. Obviously, it looks like it's still all original. The door cards, the dash, everything.
Bench seat.
It's in pretty good nick.
It's in very good nick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I honestly, when I first hopped in, I thought that down there, I thought that was a small dog. Like, you wouldn't pick it in a car like this that would have the cranky big block in it, but you pop the bonnet, it's like, damn. And then
It's still got plenty of room in there though.
yeah, you go for a drive and you put your foot down and this thing bloody goes. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the episode. If you need any parts for your car, give us a call, check out the website. We'll see you next time.